Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a bag that I picked up from Coach. They had it. Well, let me see. I actually bought it from Dillard's. It's a Coach bag that I bought from Dillard's. They had it on sale. It's something that I had my eye on for a minute. I was kind of watching it, but and I wasn't sure. I mean, I wanted it, but I wasn't sure if I was ever going to get it because I just couldn't justify the price in my mind. And even at the discounted price, I still think it's a little overpriced because of the material. But I think it's really cute. Well, I don't know if I actually saw it in person, but anyway, and it's out of the realm of what I generally go for. I don't usually go for distressed bags, but I thought that this one is super cute. And so when Dillard put it on sale, it's not a huge discount. I mean, it was like $100 off, but I still think it's a little high for this. But anyway, this was $210. So let's take a look at what I picked up on. I'm surprised they put it in a box. It was nice. Yeah, I am happy about that. I buy from Dillard sometimes, and I've never seen this. So, so this one is Biloxi, Mississippi. I had a relatively bad experience from them before. I didn't complain or anything, so they don't know about it, but this is neat. And it makes me rethink how I feel about that store. Anyway, here we go. All right, if I can get it open. Look at that. I got a dust bag. I didn't know it was going to come with a dust bag. Super, super nice. Okay, so here we go. Yes, isn't she cute? She's so cute. She's so cute. All right, I'm happy to get her. So they usually take the price tag off if they send it as a gift, which I didn't ask for gift wrapping, but okay. And this is a lot softer. So I do have the Coach, the bigger Coach one, the one that's an older one. I guess it's about 2 years old. And the denim on it is stiff, but this is soft, really soft. I didn't expect that. And I'm trying to decide whether or not I like it. I think I do like it. It's just a surprise. And I didn't know you get 2 tags with it. So let's see. You get the regular Coach tag, Coach New York. And then what does this say? I can't see what that says. I can't see what that says, but I didn't know you get 2 tags. That's neat. And look at this. It's a little more distressed than I thought, but I thought it was so cute. And let's see. And I like this size. So this is the 26. I don't know what size the one I have. The one I have is much bigger and heavier, by the way, which is why I don't wear it a whole lot. I do wear it, and every time I wear it, I get compliments. But it's heavy. And I was thinking maybe once I get this, maybe I'll let the big one go. I don't know if I can let the big one go because I think the big one is a little dressier. But I also got the one from Marc Jacobs, which is like kind of like this is Patchwork, which is the one that I originally liked. I originally bought the Marc Jacobs one, and I've only worn it like once. But anyway, I was thinking maybe I could get rid of one of my big ones, you know, since I got this one. This is so cute. All right, and I really like this size. I am a big purse girl, but that bigger one is heavy. All right, so this must be a return. I'm not particularly all that happy about that, but here we go. And I guess you wouldn't be able to tell if there was something wrong with it because it's distressed. All right, so you don't get any inside pockets because you got those 2 big ones on the front and the back. And let's see, that's our creed right there. Whoops. There we go. L25. So this was last year. Super cute. I have been watching this, and I think I like that it's softer. It definitely feels lighter. So we'll have to see. But I think I do prefer this. I don't know. I really like the way that other one is. The firmness of that other one. I like that this doesn't totally collapse. I like that. So, so that must have been the other little tags. All right. So that is what I had to share. I will link it if they still have it and still have it on sale and all that. And so you get these to put the strap on. Sorry. So and then you could probably hang charms from it if you have like a long charm or something. But I'll probably put it here. Super, super cute. I'm really happy about this. All right. So this is the code if you need that. All right. So that is what I had to share today, guys. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.